Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I've recreated Jacqueline Fernandez look from Paani Paani song. She looked absolutely stunning in the Rajasthani look, so I thought of recreating that look. I made all this jewelry and the dupatta by myself to create a similar look. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And now let's get started. To prep my skin, I'm using Pond's Flawless Radiance Derma Cream for a well-hydrated skin before the makeup application. Next for primer, I'm using a Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. It's a full glam look and she looked flawless. So for smooth polished skin, I'm using this. I'm taking a little bit and pressing on my nose and slightly around my nose areas, as that's where we mostly have pores. This is a silicone based primer, so it will fill in the pores or fine line gaps and give me a smooth skin. Then with whatever left, I'm just applying throughout my face for a smooth skin. For foundation, I'm using a Phoera matte foundation. Jacqueline had a full matte look. This foundation gives a matte look with a full coverage. This is such an underrated foundation. For the price, the quality and the coverage of the foundation is just excellent. Can you see the difference? Its coverage is just beautiful without being cakey. Next for concealer, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer on my under eyes, as it will cover my under eye darkness and slightly to give a more awakened look. This concealer works extremely well with matte looks because these are full coverage, matte, but don't make the makeup cakey and they don't crease as well. To set the cream products, I'm using Airspun loose powder. I'm taking a damp beauty sponge and dipping them into the powder and applying them under my eyes. I'm going to apply extra powder so they will bake my under eye and make them look even more matte and will be giving more coverage to the look as similar to her. After 5 minutes, I'm going to take a clean brush and dust off the excess powder. And with whatever left in the brush, I'm going to dust them throughout my face to give my entire face set and matte. Next, Jacqueline had a nice bronzed up look, so I'm going to use MAC blush in the shade Format. This is such a beautiful warm shade. I'm blending them on my cheekbones, jawlines and on my forehead to give a good warmness to my face. Then I'm applying the slightest amount to contour my nose, basically just to warm them up. For blush, she had an orange pink tone blush. So I'm taking this shade from the Make Me Up palette. So I'm just applying the blush slightly above my bronzer, and that's how she had a blush. Her face is pretty matte with the slightest amount of glow. So I'm going to take Sephora Illuminating powder in Delicate Glow and applying slightest amount on high points of my cheek. Very slightest amount just to give the tiniest glow because she looked absolutely matte with a very little amount of glow. For brows, I'm using Focallure brow pomade. She had a full and arched brow which is dark. Her brow shape is almost similar to mine, so I'm just going to use a darker pomade to fill them to give a similar look. She had a bronze smoky eye for the dupatta look, so for that I'm going to use Imagic palette. I'm going to take the light brown shade and blend them on my crease first to create a nice transition shade. Then I'm going to take the dark brown shade and applying on 2/3 of my lids. I'll be warming up this tone later. Then I'm going to take the black shade and light-handedly I'm blending them. I'm going to blend them in circular motion. I'm not going to extend them out because that's the look she had. Now I'm going to take the MAC blush again and applying it on my lids to warm the tone up. Then again I'm blending my outer corners with black shade just to intensify the blackness in circular motion till I'm happy with the intensity and the blending. Now I'm taking the blush shade again with a blending brush and blending them with the black shade in outer corner to make them softer and make sure again in circular motion just to make sure they don't look extended because she does not have an extended eye look. Then I'm using Maybelline Tattoo Liner and tight lining my waterline. With the matte blush, I'm just smoking out my lower lash line. For eyeliner, I'm using a Maybelline Gel Liner as she had a dark liner and this is just perfect eyeliner. She did not have a wing liner, so I'm just applying it till I reach the end of my lash line. For lashes, she had a non-wing lashes, so I'm opting for the same kind of lashes. After so many attempts to get the similar shade for my lipstick, I found a way finally. She had a burnt orange kind of shade. I'm applying Silky Girl matte lipstick in Hot Salsa. This is a nice orange matte lipstick. Then I'm going to take the MAC blush again now and applying them on top of my lipstick. As you can see, it instantly makes them more of a burnt orange shade and make them super matte just like a lipstick. And now to give the finishing touch for this look, I'm going to use a Maybelline Gel Liner and a bobby pin. The edge of the bobby pin should be round and I'm applying the bindi with that. She had a small bindi, so I'm opting for the same size. Then I'm applying 3 dots on my chin as similar to her look. This just completes the Rajasthani look. And that's the final look with jewelries and dupatta, which I tried to make them by myself to create a similar look. This is totally giving me Rajasthani vibe and I love it. And I hope you guys enjoy this recreation. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video as I'll be coming up with more recreations soon. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!